Okay, so guys, I wanted to talk about you remember the Phala case? I think it was on Tuesday. So I'm going to try, because I did watch the proceedings and I've noted some stuff, but I don't know if you guys are interested in that. If you guys are interested in that, please tell me if you want a summary of the proceedings. If you didn't understand any legal term or anything of that kind, tell me so that I can try to do a video on Iphala, right? And what the court said and what does it mean when the judgment is reserved. But if no one is really interested, we will start from the judgment. When the judgment is out, I'll come back and do a summary video on the case. So right now, let's focus on what Malema said on the day. So Malema said that they will attach Nkandla, right, which is Nkandla. They will attach Nkandla so that they can recover their costs. So guys, in law, if you win a case, you get to be awarded costs, right? So Malema explained they've been awarded costs against Uzuma, but Uzuma has not paid. So what happens in these instances is that if a person fails to pay, you can attach their assets in order to satisfy a debt, right? So you get the court order to satisfy the debt and then to attach so that you can satisfy the debt. However, here we are not just talking about an attachment of anything. We are talking about an attachment of a house or property, which is an immovable, right? A property, if it's your primary residence, it becomes a little bit complex for you to attach. Even if in bank situations or in any situations, whenever we deal with property, it's not like a thing attach, especially if that property is not a secondary, it's not used for secondary purposes. It's a primary residence of a person, meaning the person stays there. If you evict them from there, or if you attach, then they become homeless, right? So let's just say Uzuma, we are making this hypothetical. I'm not saying that is the case. Hypothetically, Uzuma, let's just say that's his own house. He doesn't have money. He can't pay Umalem. So what will happen is that Umalema will institute proceedings, get a court order to attach. But then Uzuma can defend and say that, but this is my primary residence. So maybe they can attach a portion, because Nkandla is very big. They can attach a portion of Nkandla. The other portion then will have to be determined by the court if whether it is just and equitable for him to leave. So court will consider all circumstances. So mostly in sales in execution, because this is some kind of sale in execution, depending on how you look at it. If we apply Rule 46 and Rule 46A of the Uniform Rules of Court, then it's not going to be easy.